Hello friends, I am Prashant Singh and you're watching Zee Business. Welcome to another episode of Paisa Wasool. There is a famous quote, it's not the money that matters, it is how you use it that determines its true value. And that is why in today's episode of Paisa Wasool, we will tell you everything about value mutual funds and 5 top performing value mutual funds that have given up to massive return of nearly 28% in just 3 years. First of all, let's understand the meaning of value mutual funds. It's a type of equity fund that chooses to invest in low value stocks. Value funds basically look for stocks that are currently trading on discount due to some reason but have a long-term potential. In easy words, value funds are mutual funds that follow a value investment strategy. Value funds are known for their unique style of investing. Basically, value investing in stocks focuses on buying undervalued stocks and holding them for a long term. So, what are the benefits of value mutual funds? Number 1, by means of value funds, you can create a portfolio of relatively inexpensive stocks of good companies. Number 2, value funds are considered to deliver healthy returns over the long term. Number 3, value mutual funds offer a better risk-reward proposition because value fund identifies stocks that are priced lower than its actual value. Now, you must be wondering who should invest in value mutual funds. If you are one of those investors who really understand the macro trends, then you can go for value mutual funds. Investors who aim for higher returns and take selective bets can go for value mutual funds. But always remember, patience is the big keyword here in value funds because you will only get good returns once you stay invested for long term, at least for 3 years or more. Now, let's take a look at 5 top performing value mutual funds that have given up to massive return of nearly 28% in just 3 years. Fund number 1. IDFC Sterling Value Fund. Its direct growth plan has given a whopping return of 28.03% in 3 years. Its riskometer is very high and its benchmark is S&P BSE 500 Total Return Index. Fund number 2, ICICI Prudential Value Discovery Fund. Its direct growth plan has given a solid return of 26.71% in 3 years. Its riskometer is very high and its benchmark is Nifty 500 Total Return Index. Fund number 3, Templeton India Value Fund. Its direct growth plan has given an amazing return of 26.18% in 3 years. Its riskometer is again very high and its benchmark is Nifty 500 Value 50 Total Return Index. Fund number 4, Nippon India Value Fund. Its direct growth plan has given a nice return of 22.11% in 3 years. Its riskometer is very high and its benchmark is Nifty 500 Total Return Index. Fund number 5, HSBC Value Fund. Its direct growth plan has given a good return of 21.64% in 3 years. Its riskometer is again very high and its benchmark is Nifty 500 Total Return Index. Now, one more important thing for mutual fund SIP investors. Since value funds invest in companies with a positive track record in terms of dividends, earnings, sales, etc. And these companies have solid fundamentals but low share prices. And that's why value funds may also provide dividend. And this could be a good option for regular side income. So this was all about value mutual funds. We'll meet again in the next episode of Paisa Wasool. Till then, goodbye, take care and keep wasooling paisa because if it's not value for money, it is not worth it.